I do believe this is a 1988 Plymouth Gran police car. I talked to the owner, and I believe that's what he said. It was an 88. It originally saw service in Colorado, but it has been transformed a bit to the California Highway Patrol markings. Both, I think, Dodge and Plymouth had police packages here at this time. And this is the familiar black and white California pattern. Notice the no-nonsense hubcaps. And very nice upholstery. Even in the back. And this was a real police car. Notice all the equipment and the radar gun. It's a far cry, though, from what we have in police cars today, which is literally digital information centers. Amazing. Computers on wheels, really. And notice the very stout black fender or bumper guards in the front. And we have spotlights, and the owner has a sense of humor because there's a box of donuts in the back. Very nice gentleman talking to him. He was a police officer for years. And it's a car that was at this car show at Gateway.